Zipline to Success is not like any other marketing book out there, which is why it has won awards and become a bestseller. I share big company marketing secrets from my decades of corporate experience, as well as many case histories that illustrate important concepts. Even as you're reading it, you can start to apply the marketing strategies and tactics right away. I wrote this book because I'm passionate about helping companies succeed, and I wanted to give business owners and managers and entrepreneurs like you proven strategies, tools, and tactics that will help you to achieve real, measurable results and avoid common costly mistakes. An easy read, the book has been used by thousands of entrepreneurs, small businesses, and nonprofit organizations to transform their marketing and gain a competitive edge. Now, I'm one of those readers who don't necessarily read a book cover to cover. So I wrote Zipline to Success in a way that enables you to skip around and read the chapters that are relevant to your marketing challenges. Every section also features a Zipline Highlights, which summarizes the key learning points. As a special bonus, the book includes free access to valuable marketing tools, articles, and digital media resources to help your business soar to new heights and ride the zip line to success.